Welcome guys, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A31 and I want to show you how you can transfer data from Android smartphone to your new Samsung Galaxy. For the first we have to get application to transfer data, and I can recommend you to download this application. So move for the Play Store and find this one, click on the install. Of course do the same on this smartphone, the second smartphone, and I said at the start that I have in front of me Galaxy A31, but of course, to be honest, there's also the second smartphone. Now let's open this application, click allow, read the privacy and click on the agree. Click sender on the Android and receiver on your Samsung. Click search again, and if you got any request for the permissions, you have to accept all of them. And right now we have to click on this Android share icon, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. To do it properly you have to put the frame into the QR code. Accept the request on your Android. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons, then click start, and all of data will be sent. Here we get also the estimated time, there is 60 minutes, and also the size of all of our data. It's almost 11 gigabytes, so I don't want to wait that much. So I'm going for the details, and I will send, I think that I'm going to send some music, maybe this 3 songs. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course remember to subscribe our channel. See ya.